Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to accept friend request problem. So first thing first, make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi. At times when your Wi-Fi is slow, it will show you various errors, so make sure that you have a strong connection. Next step, come below at the search bar, then type in Task Manager. Open your Task Manager, click on Anywhere. If you see Discord here, right click onto it, click on End Task. Once done, close this. For the last step, press Windows and R, type in %local app data %, enter. Now here you will see a temp folder. Double click onto it, select all of these and delete. Don't worry, this is just a temporary files. This will regenerate itself. Delete everything that you can and then close this. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then uninstall Discord and reinstall again. Type in Discord, click on uninstall, and then reinstall again from your Microsoft Store. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.